last we're in our new house.
I really like it. It's so spacious.
My favorite room is the bedroom. It has a big window. It makes the room bright.
My favorite room is the living room. I really like the blue walls and fireplace.
I like the fireplace too. It makes the room cozy.
What do you think about our old couch?
It's really old, and I'm not crazy about the color.
Would you like to go shopping for new furniture?
Of course, I always love to go shopping for new furniture. I also want to buy some things to decorate our new house.
I love our huge kitchen.
Me too. So when can we go shopping for new stuff? I would love to go to IKEA.
Sounds great. We can go shopping right now. Really. Really is the same as very and so. It's for emphasis. It's very hot. It's really hot. It's so hot. Really. Pronunciation. R, r. E, re. L, real. E, really. 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 Very good. Let's practice. Is it really hot in the summer?
Yes, it's really hot in the summer.
Is it really hot in the summer? Very good. Is it really cold outside?
Yes, it's really cold outside.
Is it really cold outside? Very good. Is the bedroom really spacious?
Yes, the bedroom is really spacious.
Is the bedroom really spacious? Very good. Is it really big?
Yes, it's really big.
Is it really big? Very good. Is it really nice?
Yes, the bedroom is really nice.
Is it really nice? Very good. Really and very are the same when you talk about a description. Example, good. The coffee is really good. The coffee is very good. They're the same. But if you use an action, like likes, then they are different. For actions, you can use really before the action. He really likes coffee. In this case, we cannot say very likes, only really is correct. He really likes coffee. If you use very, you put at the end, very much. He likes coffee very much. Let's practice. Does he really like coffee?
Yes, he really likes coffee.
Does he like coffee very much?
Yes, he likes coffee very much.
Does he really like coffee? Very good. Does he like coffee very much? Very good. Is the ice cream really good?
Yes, his ice cream is really good.
Does he really like ice cream?
Yes, he really likes ice cream.
Is the ice cream really good? Does he really like ice cream? Very good. Is the house really big?
Yes, the house is really big.
Do you really like the house?
Yes, I really like it.
Is the house really big? Do you really like the house? Very good. Favorite. Favorite. I like it very much. My favorite. My favorite sport is football. In America, this is football, and this is soccer. I like football. It's my favorite sport. Favorite. Favorite looks like three. Favorite. But we don't say favorite. We make it two. Favorite. Pronunciation. A. Fave. V. Fave. Favor. I. Favorite. 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 It's a stop T, so you don't have to t. Just stop. Favorite. 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 Very good. My favorite sport is football. What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is tennis.
What's your favorite sport? Very good. My favorite actor is Harrison Ford. Who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
Who's your favorite actor? Very good. My favorite singer is Paul McCartney. Who's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Van Morrison.
Who's your favorite singer? Very good. What's your favorite room in the house?
My favorite room in the house is the kitchen.
Why is the kitchen your favorite room?
The kitchen is my favorite room because it's so spacious.
What's your favorite room? Why is it your favorite room? Very good. Action, make. I make and you make. The window makes the room bright. We change the action makes for one single thing. Any one single person or thing, change your simple action with S. The window makes the room bright. Because the window is really big, you have a lot of light. So the window is the reason we use makes. The window makes the room bright. Is the window really big?
Yes, the window is really big.
Is there a lot of light?
Yes, there is a lot of light.
Is the window really big? Is there a lot of light? Very good. So, what makes the room bright?
The window makes the room bright.
What makes the room bright? Very good. Is there a lot of light in the room?
Yes, there is a lot of light in the room.
Is there a lot of light in the room? Very good. What makes the room bright?
The window makes the room bright.
What makes the room bright? Very good. Description, cozy. It's cold outside, but I have hot tea and a sweater. I feel cozy, warm and comfortable. The sweater is cozy. I feel cozy. Pronunciation, cozy. K. O. Co. It's a long O. Co. Co. Z. Coz. Coz. E. Cozy. Cozy. My sweater is cozy. Is it cold outside?
Yes, it's really cold outside.
Is there a lot of snow?
Yes, there is a lot of snow.
Is it cold outside? Is there a lot of snow? Very good. Is it warm inside?
Yes, it's really warm inside.
Is it cozy?
Yes, it's very cozy.
Is it warm inside? Is it cozy? Very good. Is it snowing outside?
Yes, it's snowing outside.
Is it cozy by the fire?
Yes, it's very cozy by the fire.
Is it snowing outside? Is it cozy by the fire? Very good. So what makes the room cozy?
The fireplace makes the room cozy.
What makes the room cozy? Very good. Is there a lot of light in the room?
Yes, there is a lot of light in the room.
What makes the room bright?
The window makes the room bright.
Is there a lot of light in the room? What makes the room bright? Very good. Is it cozy?
Yes, it's very cozy.
What makes the room cozy?
The fireplace makes the room cozy.
Is it cozy? What makes the room cozy? Very good. Furniture. Bed, chair, table, furniture. Remember, furniture is not countable. I cannot say one furniture or a furniture or furnitures. Not countable. Only one form. Furniture. If it's not countable, the best option is some. I need some new furniture. Pronunciation, furniture. Fur. Fern. Furnish. Furniture. 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 Very good. Activity. Go shopping. Remember, with activities, we use go with no to, not go to shopping, together. Go shopping. Connector, for. Go shopping for groceries. She needs to go shopping for groceries. Do you want to go shopping for new furniture?
Yes, I want to go shopping for new furniture.
Do you want to go shopping for new furniture? Very good. Expression. I'm not crazy about. I'm not crazy about it. I'm not crazy about the couch. The same, I don't like it. I don't like the couch. I think it's ugly. I'm not crazy about it. Do you like football?
No, I'm not crazy about football.
I love football. It's my favorite sport.
No, I don't like it.
Do you like football? Do you like soccer?
No, I'm not crazy about soccer.
Do you like soccer? Very good. Do you like basketball?
No, I'm not crazy about basketball. I like tennis. It's my favorite sport.
Do you like basketball? Do you like tennis? Very good. What do you think about the room?
I really like it. It's very spacious.
Do you like the couch?
No, I'm not crazy about the couch.
What do you think about the room? Do you like the couch? Very good. Description. Huge. Huge is the same as very, very big. The house is huge. The United States is huge. Pronunciation, huge. Y, he, he. Ooh, huge, 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 huge. Very good. Is the kitchen huge?
Yes, it's really huge.
Do you like the huge kitchen?
Yes, I like the huge kitchen.
Is the kitchen huge? Do you like the huge kitchen? Very good. What's your favorite room?
My favorite room is the living room
Why?
because it's huge.
What's your favorite room? Why? Very good. Is there a lot of light in the room?
Yes, there is a lot of light in the room.
What makes the room bright?
The window makes the room bright.
Is there a lot of light in the room? What makes the room bright? Very good. What do you think about the fireplace?
I love the fireplace.
Why?
I think it makes the room cozy.
Do you like the fireplace? Why? Very good. Do you like the couch?
No, I'm not crazy about the couch.
Do you like the couch? Very good. Do you want to buy new furniture?
Yes, I want to buy new furniture.
Do you want to buy new furniture? Very good. When do you want to go shopping for furniture?
I want to go shopping for new furniture today.
When do you want to go shopping for furniture? Very good.
At last we're in our new house.
I really like it. It's so spacious.
My favorite room is the bedroom. It has a big window. It makes the room bright.
My favorite room is the living room. I really like the blue walls and fireplace.
I like the fireplace too. It makes the room cozy.
What do you think about our old couch?
It's really old, and I'm not crazy about the color.
Would you like to go shopping for new furniture?
Of course, I always love to go shopping for new furniture. I also want to buy some things to decorate our new house.
I love our huge kitchen.
Me too. So when can we go shopping for new stuff? I would love to go to IKEA.
Sounds great. We can go shopping right now.